Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Glow from the screen lighting up their face. Pacifying made of pixels scrolling at a pace. Lullabies replaced with notification tones. Babies side by tablets while the parents check their phones. Everybody famous in their own little frame. Filters over truth trying to monetize the pain. Living for a moment that expires in a day. Rent due tomorrow but the comments say you slate. Everybody talking like they already arrived. Counting hearts like it's proof that they're alive. We're chasing likes and follows, feeling rich off borrowed praise. Selling souls in the comments for a flash that fades away. Trade a purpose for a profile, trade a future for some views. We're building castles out of pixels, but they crumble when the Wi-Fi moves. Everybody wanna viral, nobody wanna study. Everybody wanna shine, nobody wanna get muddy. Dreams shrink down to 15 seconds long. If it don't trend by tomorrow, they say something must be wrong. Influence over income, exposure over skill. Chasing shortcuts uphill, but still standing still. They measure self-worth by engagement rates, but can't engage with peace when they alone with their thoughts late. We post the highlight, hide the hollow. Smiles curated for tomorrow. We're chasing likes and follows, feeling rich off borrowed praise. Selling souls in the comments for a flash that fades away. Trade a purpose for a profile, trade a future for some views. We're building castles out of pixels, but they crumble when the Wi-Fi moves. Yeah, yeah. Who are you when the screen goes black? When the crowd logs off, can you stand in that? If nobody's watching, do you still believe? Is the mirror enough or you need the world to agree? Legacy don't load in a trending tab. History don't care what your username had. You can't take your followers when the curtain falls, but you can take the love, the truth, and the people you call. Still chasing likes and follows, trying to feel seen inside the noise. Drowning out the quiet wisdom with a million digital voices, yeah. But a life ain't measured in a double tap or how fast your number grew. What matters most don't need a caption, and real love never needed views. So put the phone down, lift your eyes. There's a bigger world beyond the timelines. Don't trade your name for